40 common out phrasal verbs. Hello. Today we are going to explore 40 common out phrasal verbs. These are commonly used in English, and understanding them will help you sound more natural in conversation. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and one or two particles, like an adverb or preposition, which together form a meaning different from the individual words. Now let's dive into the 40 out phrasal verbs with their meanings and examples. Figure out, meaning to solve or understand something. Example, I need to figure out how to fix this problem. Find out, meaning to discover information. Example, did you find out what time the train leaves? Run out, meaning to use all of something so that none is left. Example, we ran out of sugar while baking. Point out, meaning to show or mention something. Example, she pointed out the mistake in the report. Give out, meaning to distribute something. Example, the teacher gave out the test papers. Check out, meaning to look at something or leave a place. Example, check out this new app. We checked out of the hotel at noon. Take out, meaning to remove something or take someone on a date. Example, please take out the trash. He took her out for dinner. Work out, meaning to exercise or solve a problem. Example, I work out every morning. Let's work out the details later. Hand out, meaning to distribute something to people. Example, volunteers handed out water bottles during the race. Sort out, meaning to organize or fix a problem. Example, we need to sort out this issue quickly. Drop out, meaning to leave school or a course before finishing. Example, he dropped out of college last year. Turn out, meaning to happen in a particular way or be revealed. Example, it turned out that the rumors were true. Blow out, meaning to extinguish or burst. Example, the wind blew out the candle. Break out, meaning to escape or suddenly begin something. Example, a fire broke out in the kitchen. Stand out, meaning to be noticeable or distinct. Example, her creativity makes her stand out in the class. Carry out, meaning to perform or complete a task or action. Example, the workers carried out the instructions carefully. Call out, meaning to shout or challenge someone. Example, she called out his name across the street. Pass out, meaning to faint or distribute something. Example, he passed out from the heat. Flyers were passed out to everyone. Back out, meaning to withdraw from an agreement. Example, they backed out of the deal at the last moment. Let out, meaning to allow someone to leave or make something known. Example, the teacher let the students out early today. Bring out, meaning to highlight or introduce something. Example, this photo brings out the color of your eyes. Wear out, meaning to make someone tired or something unusable. Example, these shoes are worn out from all the walking. He was worn out from all the hard work. Move out, meaning to leave a residence. Example, she moved out of her apartment last week. Cry out, meaning to shout loudly, often in pain or fear. Example, he cried out in pain after falling. Pull out, meaning to withdraw or remove something. Example, the company pulled out of the agreement. Write out, meaning to write something in full. Example, please write out your answers neatly. Sell out, meaning to sell all items or betray a principal for gain. Example, the concert tickets sold out in an hour. Set out, meaning to start a journey or explain something clearly. Example, they set out early to avoid traffic. Burn out, meaning to become very tired from overwork. Example, she burned out after working overtime for weeks. Stick out, meaning to be noticeable or extend beyond something. Example, his bright yellow jacket sticks out in the crowd. Act out, meaning to express emotions through actions, often negatively. Example, the child acted out because he was upset. Cut out, meaning to remove or stop something. Example, you should cut out junk food from your diet. Help out, meaning to assist someone. Example, can you help out with the decorations? Step out, meaning to leave briefly or take a short break. Example, she stepped out to make a quick phone call. Shout out, meaning to publicly acknowledge or praise someone. Example, I want to give a shout out to my team for their hard work. Lock out, meaning to prevent someone from entering a place. Example, I locked myself out of the house accidentally. Drop out of, meaning to quit an activity, course, or competition. Example, he dropped out of the race because of an injury. Phase out, meaning to gradually remove or stop using something. Example, the company plans to phase out old technology next year. Max out, meaning to reach a limit, especially with credit or effort. Example, she maxed out her credit card during the holiday shopping. Space out, meaning to lose focus or become distracted. Example, I spaced out during the meeting because I was tired. Mastering phrasal verbs is a great way to enhance your English skills and speak more fluently. The more you practice using these expressions in your daily life, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Keep reviewing and applying them, and soon you'll notice a big improvement in your understanding and usage of English. Keep up the great work. Thank you.